This one is a 1956 Royal HHE big desktop typewriter. Probably weighs about 40 pounds. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. To set the margins, there's a magic margin up here. So if you push it forward, it'll set the margin anywhere you want. We're going to set it there. And the same for the right. We're going to set that margin right there at the end. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit the line space here, and it'll skip a space. Right now we have it on double space, but we want single, so we'll just bring it back one space. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them stick. I'll type a sentence in red. This one has a black and red ribbon, so you hit that lever to red, and you can get very nice, sturdy machine. A lot of people like these better than the portables because they're just easier to type on. They're not moving around or anything. It's nice and sturdy. I'll show you that print. The print's usually better on these too. These are just a better made typewriter. A lot bigger, but it's worth it sometimes, depending on your style of typing. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. It's got a tab function. We'll set a tab right here. You hit that button. You can put them anywhere on the platen, and you just hit the tab, and it'll stop. Apparently it's got one right here too. So we'll clear that tab, and we'll clear that tab, and you have no tabs. And then you get to the end of the margin, and it blocks you from typing. So to get past that, you hit the margin release, and that's if you want to finish a word at the end of that margin. What else? It's got touch control right here. This is how you switch the ribbon direction. Right now all the ribbon is on this side, so we want it to pull to that side. And as you can see, it's starting to pull to that side. Got a backspace up on the top left here. And that's about it. Pretty simple. Really nice machine. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.